What are you doing? Nothing? I've been waiting for you for long. What are you doing here?
I'm cleaning the washing.
Cleaning. Why? Are you the cleaning girl now? Ba? Papalitan mo na si maming tagalinis ng washroom. And you're using your face cloth? Yeah. Anong nakain mo at naglilinis ka?
Mag-step ka na. Mag-step ka na. Pwede ka na. Patay mo na. Patay mo na. Patay mo na.
Ikaw naglilinis. Anak, ilang taon na lang ikaw na ang tagalinis ng bahay, ha? Ha? Naglilinis. Saruy! Nagbaha. Nagbaha. Binahaan mo ang washroom. You did a good job. Very good. Pati damit mo, basang-basa. Ayos. Sige na. Good job. Enough. Bukas na lilinisin ni mami. Basa na yung damit mo, anak, oh. Enough washing, enough cleaning. Okay, good night na. Time for bed. Kaya palang tagal-tagal mo dito. You did a good job. Okay. Sige. Pag ikaw nang tagalinis ng banyo. Yeah, that's Yaki now. That goes to the laundry. Okay? Yaki now. Thank you. Where's the spinning?
Let me get Mama.
Put that in the laundry now. Good job. Thank you. Good night.
Good night.